Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize website navigation with BigCommerce, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize website navigation with BigCommerce, start by logging into your BigCommerce dashboard. Select Storefront from the left-hand menu. Click on Navigation to access your current navigation settings. Review the existing menu structure to identify areas for improvement. Consider the main categories of products you offer and ensure they are prominently displayed. Use clear, concise labels for your menu items to enhance user understanding. Add subcategories if necessary to organize products further. Incorporate drop-down menus for a cleaner layout and easier access to subcategories. Check the order of your menu items to ensure that popular categories are listed first. Utilize the primary navigation section for your most important links. Test your navigation on various devices to ensure it is mobile-friendly. Consider including a search bar to help users quickly find specific products. Use breadcrumbs to allow users to easily navigate back to previous pages. Adjust your navigation based on customer feedback to continually improve usability. Save your changes once you are satisfied with the new navigation structure. Preview your store to see how the new navigation looks in action. Make any further adjustments as needed after previewing. Publish your changes to make them live for your customers. Monitor user behavior after optimization to assess the effectiveness of your changes. Regularly revisit and update your navigation as your product offerings evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.